Hello my lovelies, it's Susanne, and today I want to show you how to solve this problem that keeps confusing the internet. I'm pretty sure that if you follow my videos on a regular basis, you won't have any issues here, so don't disappoint me. But you can try to solve this problem by yourself first. Let me know in the comments which answer you get, and I'm going to show you now how you can solve this problem. We just have to calculate this expression here. We have a minus symbol here, a division symbol, another minus again, and a multiplication. And we have to follow the order of operations, which means that we first have to take a look at the multiplication and the division, and after that then we are allowed to take a look at the addition and the subtraction. So first, multiplication and division. So we have our division symbol here and the multiplication here. So we first have to take a look at 6 over 1 over 6 and 6 times 6. Let's do this and let's write down everything else. We have 66 minus, and now 6 over this fraction. 6 divided by a fraction can be calculated by taking the 6 as it is, and instead of dividing by the fraction, we're going to multiply by its reciprocal. So we have to switch these two numbers. We take the 6 and write it down here, and the 1 goes down here. Before we keep going, we can calculate this here now. 6 over 1 is just equal to 6. So I'm going to erase this. And 6 times 6 here is 36 then as a result. Then we have the minus, and 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Now, we don't have any multiplication or division symbol in here anymore, so now we are allowed to take a look at plus and minus. We have a minus symbol here, another one here, so we can decide in which order we want to calculate this here now. You can start from left to right, or if you prefer it, from right to left, or you can even start here in the middle if you think this is better. It's just important that this minus belongs to this number. So you are not allowed to just take the 36 and subtract this 36 and say that this is 0. The minus symbol belongs to this number here. So you can start here, but you have negative 36 minus 36. But I think it's easier to start here at the beginning. So we start with 66 minus 36, which equals 30. And then we subtract 36. And now maybe we do this with a number line so that we don't do anything wrong at the end here. We start at the 30 and we want to subtract 36 in total. So from the 30 to the 0, we would subtract 30 first. And then we have to subtract another 6, so that we subtract 36 in total. So we end up at negative 6, and this is our result. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Take care!